bunny land. Hey, hey, hey! Ooh, ooh. In a meadow where the flowers sway, little Ducky wanted to play. Mommy, can we swim right now? Mommy smiled and said, well, how? The rain might come, the sky's not bright. Ducky chirped, but it'll be all right. Mommy thought a chance to show a little lesson as we go. Hand in wing, they splashed around, laughing at each funny sound. Then raindrops fell. Oh my, oh my! Time to keep our feathers dry. Out of the pond they stepped with care, an umbrella shared between the pair. They wandered off to find a tree, a cozy spot for ducks to be. Mommy wrapped him snug and tight in a blanket warm and bright. She hummed a tune, a sweet lullaby, as rain sang softly from the sky. Sleep now, darling, don't you fear, the sunny days will soon be here. Ducky yawned and closed his eyes, dreaming under cloudy skies. Morning sun peeked through the leaves, birds were singing in the eaves. Wake up, little one, Mommy said, let's return to the pond ahead. Back they went, the day so bright, splashing in the warm daylight. Ducky quacked, this is the best. Mommy smiled, now you can rest. So remember, kids, it's wise to heed, when parents guide, it's love they lead. Adventures shine when plans are made. With Mommy's help, don't be afraid.